In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on VoiceOver on iPad Air or iPad Pro. So if you have an iPad Air or Pro, whether the 4th gen, 2nd gen, or 5th gen, then you can easily enable or turn on VoiceOver on your iPad. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable or turn on VoiceOver on your iPad, all you just need to do is go to your iPad settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Then once you selected General, you want to locate Accessibility, turn that. Then under Vision, locate VoiceOver and click on that. Now to enable VoiceOver, all you just need to do is just tap this toggle.
VoiceOver on. Landscape.
So your VoiceOver
to the right. Settings. Alert. Important.
Now the VoiceOver will be activated. Click on OK. Then double tap.
Okay.
To cancel the VoiceOver, just press the home button. This is going to disable VoiceOver on your iPad. So that's all you need to do to enable or turn on VoiceOver on iPad. Found this offer informative? Please don't forget to like and subscribe.